Summer is here and I'm already battling with this beast of an air conditioner. Installation, it's such a nightmare. And once it's in, you're stuck with it there all summer long. Not to mention the ugly exhaust pipes messing up the room. There's gotta be a better way to stay cool, right? What's going on, everyone? Today, Morphy Richards' ductless portable air conditioner gave us a solution. No more struggling with installations, no more being stuck in one spot. This is a game changer, and I'm gonna show you why. First off, check out this design. It's got a head that looks like a bullet. Morphy Richards is not just about performance. It's about style too. This baby uses top-of-the-line compressors and R290 refrigerant, so it's energy efficient and eco-friendly. But the best part? No insulation, no stress. Just plug it in and boom, instant coolness. Oh, and filling up the water tank is a breeze. It's as simple as lift, fill, close, and you're done. Ready to dehumidify and chill like a pro. Now let's talk about cooling power. This thing is a beast. Whether you're 0.5 meters, 1 meter, or even 1.5 meters away, you'll feel that refreshing breeze. It's like a personal fan but on steroids. No need to huddle close to stay cool. Morphy Richards has you covered. And here's something cool. Literally, the rear of this air conditioner doesn't blast hot air like those old models. At 0.5 meters, the temperature is nearly the same as the room. And no worries about heating up the space behind you while cooling the space in front. Now let's talk about this bullet head design. It's really not just for looks. Inside, there's a honeycomb-shaped air outlet that swings up and down, while the outer layer swings left and right. Activate both, and you've got a 3D surround cooling effect that covers every corner of the room. It's like having a mini tornado of cool air, minus the destruction. Now, whether it's a movie night, working from home, or just hanging out with friends, the vertical and horizontal 50-degree oscillation ensures that everyone stays cool. You don't need to fight over who gets the fan. This air conditioner has got everyone covered. And did I mention portability? This baby is so easy to move around, you can take it from the living room and even out in the patio for barbecue. It's like the perfect companion for wherever you need a blast of cool air, indoors and outdoors. What about cleaning? No problem. Just pull out the filters from the sides, rinse them with water, and pop them back in. It's as simple as that. No need to worry about dust buildup.
Now, one of the cool things is the touch control. Of course, it's up-powered as well. You can control your air conditioner right off from the app.
So there you have it, the Morphy Richards ductless portable air conditioner, the easy, stylish, and powerful solution to all your cooling needs. No more struggling with bulky fixed units. Just plug it in, sit back, and chill. Literally. Now, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more awesome tech reviews. And drop a comment if you got any questions. Stay cool, and I'll see you on the next one.